Well, hello. This is a project that I just came up with. I used to take my modern miter saw and I would set up sawhorses and put my saw on top of the plywood with sawhorses and make all my cutting, fabricating, whatever. And it got to be a pain. I have the DeWalt stationary stand, which I never use anymore. So I bought this DeWalt stand for the miter saw and kind of fabricated this platform for the top. And so far it's working out very good. This is a nice, I looked at all the styles and I settled on this one because it had to fit in my van. Because I take my table saw and this and my compressor in my work van. So I had to come up with this. So this is it.